guys, welcome back to my calm down. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be doing a festival look. I have had nothing to do today. Today is actually Listen Out Festival in Brisbane, and so I figured why not just do a festival look, even though by the time this video is actually up, Listen Out will be well and truly over. Oh well, we're still doing it. I'm sure there's going to be plenty of music festivals on the horizon for lots of people around the world, so this video is not completely pointless. I have just done my base, bronzer, blush, brows. Really on camera, all I want to do is like highlight eyes and lips. Of course, I have my fun buns on, ready to go. Nothing says festival basic bitch more than fun buns, which I'm sure we all know. For this look, I want to do super bright colors on my eyes because I really don't ever do that. I don't even remember the last time. I'm gonna bust out the Beauty Killer palette maybe. I'm looking at this bad boy and thinking I'm just gonna do like an all over pink lid. I'm a little nervous because I really like my base and everything, and I feel like I'm gonna fuck this up. You know what? Let's work up to it. Let's do a highlight first. So maybe one of my Jeffree Star. Let's just keep it Jeffree Star themed, shall we? Because that could be really fun. Peach Goddess. Ooh, pretty. Yeah, let's do that. I haven't used this one in a hot minute. Get out of town. Boom. Boom. Little bit down the nose. I always do like a little bit on my finger. It's like a little light bulb on the end of my nose. And obviously the Cupid's bow. Wow. And boy, you got me working side to side. Look, I'll go in with Courtney just to work myself up to the pink because that really scares me. And I'll just use that as my crease color. Just blend that on in. Wanna menage, I got a tricycle. Let's zoom you in a little. Whoa. Oh, that highlighter though. Okay, so I'm just going to do the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. This will just make the pink really stand out because I really don't want it to look kind of faded and yucky. I'm just gonna blend it in a bit with my finger. And I'm now gonna go in with the pink. I'm gonna use a flat brush. Holy shit. I feel like the camera really washes out the color. Wow, it is so pigmented. So basically the idea is to build up the color on my lid, and then I will use a fluffy brush to blend it out. You know that you make it shine. Drink break. We're going to blend her out, which means we want to be a lot more careful because this is where it really counts. This is so pretty. This is a really nice shadow. Like the fact that it can actually blend out for a color this bright, and like it's not patchy, it's not falling out on my cheeks or anything. Cool. This is so cute. Oh, this blending part takes a while, guys. Now for underneath. I'll start with the Courtney shade, just like I did on the top, just to stay consistent. Honestly, I don't think I even want to do anything to the bottom lash line. Maybe I'll do like a bit of glitter. I'm gonna also put just a nude liner on the waterline. Now glitter! But what kind of glitter? I have so many. How to choose? Oh, I think this is perfect. They just look like little snowflakes. I love that. I don't remember where these are from, so ever so sorry. I'm gonna use the Too Faced glitter glue to stick these bad boys on. And I'm just gonna chuck that glitter straight under my eye without injuring myself, if I can manage it. Cute. Should I do a bit more, or is that good? I'm just gonna do a little bit more, a little bit more. All right, let's try that again on the other eye. Cute. Just like a little highlight on the inner corners. We're going to use the highlight we used on our cheeks, which is the Peach Goddess Zilio. Camera stopped filming. Don't know where it stopped, but I think it only just stopped, so I think we're good. But I'm just going to do mascara now. CoverGirl in Bloom. You don't need to see this shit. We're back. And I think I'm actually going to leave my bottom lashes as is because there's a lot going on down there. I don't think it needs like little black things doing this. Zoom out. Ooh, so cute. I look like a space girl. What lips should we do? Should we just do like a nude lip? Alright, I'm gonna do a nude lip liner just to get the ball rolling. Just turn down the tunes. Zoom yours in a little. Okay, so my camera overheated. But the lip combo I ended up going with was this Essence lip liner in the shade 11 in the nude. And I ended up going with, I need to stop knocking that. I ended up going with the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Mannequin, which is like the best nude ever. And I really want to get the lip liner actually. And then I put on a little bit of the ABH or Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in Butterscotch just on the center of my lips. I just figured the eyes were doing all the talking, so we don't need something extravagant on my mouth. And that's really it, guys. Look how white my hand is. Anyway, I hope you guys love this festival makeup look. I am obsessed. I love the pink. Definitely couldn't wear it every day. I mean, you could. Like, you do you. Definitely want to start doing more colored looks because I am vibing this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a go yourself. If you're not used to using color and stuff like that, just like me, definitely give it a go. Especially on a day where you're not doing anything, just go play with your makeup and see what you come up with because I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm going to be doing more actual sit down makeup tutorials, so I hope you guys can come back and watch them. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!